Alright, hey guys, this is Nate, and here's part 3 of the Gnome Home slash Hobbit house. So I've been busy, mostly late at night, and we've got the siding done, we have the roofing almost done. I still have to do the shed dormer roof and some of the final trim work around there. You can see the angled side is the cedar shake. On the back side is a boxwood hedge bush artificial turf. So we'll show you that in a second. You can see the round door and doorknob and the stained glass window all added in there. And so still got some more to do. We want to do some kind of unique features for these corners right here. I'm thinking of taking a tree stump and then you know, cutting out an inside corner from that and then fitting it to those. And then up on the shed dormer, again, the part that's black, that's the underlayment. We're gonna put the boxwood hedge bush there as well. So let's go look around the back side to see the roofing on the curved section. So you can see this all here. This is all artificial, but it's in like 20-inch by 20-inch squares that put together and then stapled to the roof with stainless steel nails. And then up at the top you can see the little chimney. So that's a decorative piece. You know, there's no hole in the roof for it to go through. So it's just to give it a little bit of a Gnome vibe going. Okay, so you can see I did have power here, so I added one outside outlet. And then this siding is just pine, so we're gonna treat it, and then the fascia boards will add as well here shortly. So if we open up the door, you can see inside here we have these little decorative you know, string patio lights. Those are strung up here. They're attached to a dimmer switch, so I can dim them down, you know, so they're not bright as well. And then adding a few outlets around. I've only added one inside outlet so far, but we'll probably put about 4 or so in here. So this is where it's at right now. I don't plan to really finish the interior a whole lot as far as the walls and the ceiling, but for the flooring we're planning to do a ingrained log slice epoxy floor. So we will do the flooring will be slices of tree trunks put down, and then we will epoxy over that, so it'll be like you're stepping on a lot of tree logs. Here's the cedar shake. You can see, you know, this stuff I just bought. It was actually like half the price of normal. I had to special order it through Menards, but I think it was 29 bucks per bundle, and there was only 4 bundles is what I needed. So I thought it was actually a fairly reasonable price to do the whole roof. And then so we're going to put a semi-clear stain on this, as well as this siding, to help protect it and keep the color so it doesn't gray. Okay, so next we'll show a time lapse of how we got to here from part 2. So we'll go through all the construction of these so far, and then later on we'll have more videos out there, so you can subscribe, and then you'll get notified if there's anything that you see that you want more details on. Let me know, and I'll answer them in the comments, or maybe make a new video for them as well. Okay guys, we got a storm brewing. I just got the some of the roofing done last night. You can see the cedar shake out there. I didn't get the dormer roof or the very top done yet, but we got the most of the roofing on, all the underlayments underneath. So again, today there's a quick heavy downpour coming, so I'm gonna go inside and see how I did. Okay, we're in here. The rain has started, so we'll see how the roofing and all the ceiling holds up here. Well, it's good. I don't see any leaks yet, so that's promising.